Hello and welcome to another video. I know it's been a while. Cut the long story short. Basically, we did have the house on the market. We was going to move. We'd sold, but unfortunately we couldn't find anywhere ourselves. So we've decided to come off the market and start doing some work on the house ourselves. So hopefully I'm going to bring out some content for you and slowly start getting the house the way we want it. We've been here a couple of years and our next job is the bathroom. As you can see here, we've got an extractor fan just there, and then there should be a shower extractor fan in the ceiling just there. But when you go up in the loft, there's no fan. So they've put the cutout, but they didn't put the fan in. So I have gone out and I have bought ourselves a extractor fan. This is an airline extractor fan from Screwfix. I believe it was about £35. So in the kit itself, you have your duct. You don't get the cat. You get the fan. You get the external cover, which can go in your soffit. You get a chrome one as well, which can go then in on that. So that's the one that hangs from the ceiling. So we'll swap that one over, put this in, and we'll probably put the chrome one on. I think that'll look good. You'll also get your screws, fixtures, some zip ties or cable ties, and you also get some foam padding, which I assume will seal it with a sticky back on the side there. So let's get into the loft and get this installed. I also have the isolator switch, which already does the extractor fan on the wall. So what I'm going to try and do is fish from that switch up into the loft and get some 1.5 twin and earth connected into it, which then we'll wire up for the fan. So now we're in the loft. You can see I have got that duct just there, and somewhere down there is the external fan or grill. Let's remove this one. Just literally grab it, turn it, and get your screwdriver. Like I say, previous owners installed this. And there you go. Obviously they didn't use no wall plugs, but let's get the new one installed. So if you're installing one of these for the first time, what you want to do is get a 4-inch cutter or get a jab saw, and then you'd cut a circle 4 inches wide, which will fit that just there, and then you can pop your screws in. And there you go. Just like before, put 2 screws in there, and that's, clip that back on.
Got the duct connecting to the vent outside now. What I'm going to do is just get this one screwed on to there. Like so. And what I'll do now is cut it about there, just with a Stanley knife. And get me snips. Like so. Again, what we want to do is get that on there. And then get a cable tie around it. Like that. And then the hardest bit now is trying to connect it down the other end. And there you go, that is now all connected up. Same again, just on this side here. So what we'll do now is wire it from there, and then I've got to try and fish it down this wall here somewhere. Here, don't know if you can see, it's where my hand is. I know the camera's pretty dark, so I just need to try and fish it down there. And what we'll do now is run that cable along and into that pit down there. There you go, that is now all installed. And if I turn on the light, it kicks in. Now the downside to this one, it did say in the leaflet that it's got a timer on it, but unfortunately it doesn't. So that must be for a different model, because they do one with an LED as well. But so to prove that it's sucking, I'll get a bit of tissue. There you go. So that'll show now that it's sucking on that. Like I say, the cutouts are already done, so that was probably the hardest bit out of it all. If you're replacing one, or if you know you want to install one, the only thing you've got to do different to what I've done there is actually cut a 4-inch hole. So obviously that's already been done for me. But other than that, I'm pleased with it. The electric side of things, like I say, I didn't show you wiring up because I'm no electrician and I don't want to show you, because it might be differently wired in your home and I don't want to show you something that may not be right. So by all means, if you're comfortable doing so, do it. If not, then get an electrician to wire it up for you. But I hope you find it interesting, and thanks for watching.